2018, I was diagnosed with inclusion body myositis, which is a muscle disease. The main symptom was choking, as well as very weak muscles. I came to Swiss Medica for more treatment because I felt that the stem cells would be very beneficial for me to help overcome the weaknesses in my body. Well, because I'm a nearly 80-year-old woman, I'm hoping to be able to have some independence. I don't use a walking aid around the house, but I do need a walking aid when I'm out, just in case I trip over. But I'm hoping to strengthen my muscles to have a much better life. The treatment team are very encouraging and feel very confident in what I have learned here. And I do feel that Swiss Medica is going to be a great influence in my future, especially the gym work, which will help strengthen my muscles. The facilities are excellent. I've never experienced facilities as good as what they are here. The staff are so kind, so dedicated, so helpful. Nothing is any trouble for them.
Hello, ma'am. Can you tell us a bit about yourself? What's your name, where are you from, and what diagnosis brought you to Swiss Medica?
My name is Beverly. I come from a small town in the southwest of West Australia. I've come to Swiss Medica for some treatment because in 2018 I was diagnosed with inclusion body myositis, which is a muscle disease.
How has it affected your daily life? What symptoms have you been dealing with?
The main symptom was choking, as well as very weak muscles, muscles on the top and the bottom part of the body. It was very scary, but I think I've managed okay. I came to Swiss Medica for more treatment because I felt that the stem cells would be very beneficial for me to help overcome the weaknesses in my body.
Tell us, if you can, what was the most difficult moment in your life related to your diagnosis before you got stem cell therapy?
The most difficult time with my diagnosis was when I was first diagnosed. It was very scary because myositis is not very well known and I had never heard of it before.
It's a rare condition.
It's a very rare condition.
What treatments have you tried before, and did they help at all?
Well, I've tried various treatments. There's no known medication for diagnosis, so it's more or less a lot of exercise, good diet, and it was suggested that I try stem cells, which I have tried in the past and found it very beneficial, but I feel I need more treatment.
How did you find out about Swiss Medic?
Well, I've had 4 back surgeries and I've got a very good doctor in West Australia that's very interested in muscle and skeletal. I've seen this doctor for about 12 years and he's been very instrumental in taking my pain away from my 4 back surgeries. I don't have to take any pain medication, and I've discussed many times with this doctor, and he is also very dedicated to help people as much as they can. He's the sort of doctor that never gives up. He's always looking for another answer, and for him I'm forever grateful for how I am today, considering other people who were diagnosed at the same time as me in 2018. I'm still very independent. I can still go on with my life. I live a very busy life, and I'm just happy in myself.
And what was the deciding factor for you in choosing stem cell therapy?
Well, the deciding factor for me to come to Swiss Medica was they've got a very intense diagnosis program as well as their gym. And I find the gym is very beneficial, teaching me how to use my muscles. I've got my own home gym, but Swiss Medica has taught me so much how to utilise the gym to enhance my muscle strength.
What are your expectations for the long-term results of this trip?
Well, because I'm a nearly 80-year-old woman, I'm hoping to be able to have some independence. I don't use a walking aid around the house, but I do need a walking aid when I'm out, just in case I trip over. But I'm hoping to strengthen my muscles to have a much better life, and to be more independent. And I think I'm going to get that from Swiss Medica for the very short time I've been here.
We're all hoping for that. And have you noticed any improvements since the therapy? If so, what kind of changes?
Well, it's early days yet, but I think the encouragement has been very beneficial, and I feel confident by the end of this treatment, and if I continue the treatment on into the future, I will have a much better life. For that, I sincerely thank Swiss Medica.
And why did you choose Swiss Medica over other clinics?
I'd done some research and had been to some other clinics, but it was just the facilities that are offered here at Swiss Medica, and the treatment team are very encouraging and feel very confident in what I have learned here. And I do feel that Swiss Medica is going to be a great influence in my future, especially the gym work, which will help strengthen my muscles.
Did you have any fear coming to Serbia?
Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. I just feel so confident with what I had read about Swiss Medica. And when I researched Swiss Medica, I did note one of the conditions that they can help treat was myositis. So I thought, well, why not give it a go? If they can help me even the little tiniest piece, I would be very thankful.
And can you tell us a few words about our facility, your experience with the medical staff and everybody?
The facilities are excellent. I've never experienced facilities as good as what they are here. The staff are so kind, so dedicated, so helpful. Nothing is any trouble for them. The living quarters are very comfortable. The gym is excellent. The food is wonderful. There's a lot of focus on health here. So all in all, I think it's been a wonderful experience to come to Swiss Medica, and all being well, I'd like to come back again.
Thank you very much.